ninyo, yung, ano yun, sabi ni teacher ninyo, as you grow. Gusto ko gawin nyo siya hanggang kaya nyong abutin. Okay? As you grow. Gusto ko yung gawin nyo.
Read your Bible.
Yeah.
Read your Bible.
Gusto ko yung aabutin nyo yung lago na